Periodic maintenance of a car ensures its optimal performance and durability. Regular checkups help identify potential issues before they become major problems, saving money and time in the long run. Routine maintenance includes oil changes, tire rotations, and brake inspections, which are essential for the car's safety and efficiency. These tasks prevent wear and tear, ensuring the vehicle runs smoothly, and make your vehicle in good condition. By adhering to a maintenance schedule, car owners can improve fuel efficiency. A well-maintained engine consumes less fuel, reducing overall costs and environmental impact. And also reduce the unwanted repair cost. Scheduled maintenance checks can prevent breakdowns and costly repairs. By addressing minor issues early, car owners avoid the inconvenience and expense of major repairs. Periodic maintenance contributes to safety on the road. Well-maintained brakes, tires, and lights reduce the risk of accidents, ensuring the safety of the driver and passengers. Maintaining the car's systems, such as the air conditioning and heating, ensures comfort during travel. Regular checks prevent system failures, providing a pleasant driving experience. Regular maintenance helps in keeping the car's emissions in check. A well-tuned engine produces fewer emissions, contributing to a cleaner environment. Periodic maintenance can extend the lifespan of the car. By keeping all parts in good working condition, the vehicle remains reliable and functional for a longer period. Routine checkups can identify issues with the car's electrical system, preventing battery failures and ensuring all electronic components function properly. Periodic maintenance ensures that the car's suspension system remains in good condition, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. Regular inspections can help detect leaks in the car's systems, such as the coolant or oil, preventing engine damage and maintaining performance. Regular servicing helps maintain the car's warranty. Many manufacturers require proof of maintenance to honor warranty claims, protecting the owner from unexpected repair expenses. Periodic maintenance also enhances the car's resale value. A vehicle with a documented history of regular upkeep is more attractive to potential buyers, who are assured of its reliability. Maintaining the car regularly can prevent rust and corrosion. Regular washing and waxing protect the car's exterior, preserving its appearance and structural integrity. By following a maintenance schedule, car owners can plan their expenses better, avoiding unexpected costs and budgeting for routine services.